Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a squishy baby. This is my squishy baby, but yes, I did actually make the 3D head. I had to watch like a couple YouTube tutorials. Kwai Jewel, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm sorry if I didn't. I watched her videos and I learned how to make them. I made like a little cute outfit. I'm going to be making more. But yeah, and I've also made the legs. I just finished making this one. This one I made last night. But yeah, the head is the most squishiest part. But like you have to like put it back. But the body's not that squishy. But the legs are. Well, they're not like, yeah, they're not slow rising, but I guess they're okay. Like this, like the tape sound is, oh my gosh, so nice. But one of my favorite parts are the heads. I can like never ever stop squishing it because it is like the most squishiest part. But anyways, I'm gonna be showing you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the head. I'm not gonna show you guys. I'm just gonna tell you guys. Okay. So line paper or normal paper, you're going to want to draw 6 squares like this about line, and then draw 3 on each side. And then whatever hair color you want, I use black, color it like whatever hair color. And then with here, you're going to like, well, you kind of have to make it like this. On the side, you have to make like this type of drawing. And then on this side, do that too. And then like just like how I made my hair like that. And then you can just like start drawing the face in the middle. And I didn't add any ears, but if you want, you can add like ears. And then like whatever skin color, I use brown, whatever skin color you want. Like whatever skin color, and then whatever skin color half, and then like the skin color like this. And I just like the nose, how the nose look, so I just added the nose. But if you look, it kind of looks like it's sad, but then it's happy again. That's optional. If you want, you can add a nose. I just added it because I think it looks cute. But yeah, that's how you make the head. And then tape it whenever you're all done. And then just cut it out. Like fold it. So it's kind of like a 3D pattern. And then for the top and the back, in the bottom part, like this part, you're gonna put the top part here. You're gonna kind of curve it like this. So like this, and then like that. And then just keep that part like that. And then, oh, I threw that paper away. How to make the clothes is that you have to draw 3 like rectangles or squares. I prefer you have to do rectangles. And then on like your corner of the paper, you're going like right about here, you're gonna draw a square. Make sure it's not touching yours. And then just like draw any type of design. And why we need to make a corner rectangle is because that is for the back, this top part. And then I actually kind of made a bottom, if you can see. And I also made a top, like that's the top. And then just like tape it, cut it, fold it, like make kind of 3D pattern, tape this on, get these two. Make sure you stuff both of these. Sorry, I forgot to say that. Make sure that you stuff both of them. And good thing that I didn't throw this paper away, because this is like, you just have to like copy it, because the legs and the arms are basically the same. So basically what I did was I drew 4 rectangles. That's like 8 inches or something. And then I drew a square that is 1 inch. I colored it. Oh yeah, by the way, I colored it with a color pencil, but you can color it with a marker or like whatever you have, like crayons too. Then tape, cut it out, and then for the rectangles, fold it. Don't fold the squares, just like fold it, and then tape it whenever it's kind of like a 3D thing. And then, oh yeah, I forgot to tell this. Forget about what I said about the folding part. And then you're just, whenever you have your thing, you're just going to like, for the second shape, you're going to put one of the squares here, and then another one that's all the way on the fourth one, and it's down. And then fold it, and then whenever it's done, whenever you've folded it and it kind of looks 3D, add tape. Then like one of the parts that have the squares, put it down, tape it. The other side, stuff it. Oh yeah, by the way, oh my gosh, I've been stuffing mine with a pillowcase. Yeah, because I actually did have a pillowcase, but I actually ran out of the foam because I've been making so much squishes. Oh my gosh. So yeah, but you can like use like garbage bags, stuffed animal stuffing. Quaidrel, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm sorry if I said it wrong. She actually went to Kroger and she got like these like garbage bags, no, like plastic bags. I don't know what you call them, but they were like about like 42 in a pack, and they're like $5. So I think you should go to Kroger and try to find those. Anyways, once you're done stuffing it with whatever you have, you can like fold it the other way, see, and then like tape it, and then there. You have to repeat it 4 times because 2 legs here, 1 arm here, 1 arm here. But yeah, let me just put that over there. That's what my lines looks like. Oh yeah, and this is actually optional. You can like add like a cute little headband. If you can kind of see, I actually drew like a little bunny. That's the bunny. That middle thing is the bunny. And I drew the bunny because it was on the shirt. I wanted to draw the this one or the frog, but I was just like, hey, that's gonna take, like, no, I don't want to do that. So I just did that, and then I colored it blue with some black polka dots because I thought it looked cute. And you don't have to make a girl. Mine is just a girl, and I add eyelashes and like a smile. You can also make a boy, but like if you want, you can add eyelashes to the boy. That's like gonna be so cool. And then you just copy the nose, the lips. Wait, the nose is optional, and then you just do the eyebrows if you want, and then the head, body. I'm actually going to be making another set of arms, so I'm going to be tongue. So I'm going to actually show you the tutorial because it was kind of confusing. At least I think. I have a ruler. Okay, so what you're going to want to do, you're going to draw 1 inch squares. 1 inch, and I'm going to show you. It should kind of like the line should kind of look like about that much long. And then like do it another way. The thing is, if you are not using a ruler, make sure that the lines are really, really straight. I'm actually using a ruler because I can't draw my squares good. My squares look so ugly. See? I drew that one with no ruler, that one with the ruler. No, that one with the this one with the ruler, this one without a ruler. And then you are going to draw 8-inch, let me show you, I don't even know what I'm saying, like about 6-inch rectangles, about that long. Okie dokie, artichoke. See? About that long. And some of the you're going to want to draw it 4 times. The 6 or 8 by inch rectangles. You're going to want to draw it 4 times. I drew the 4 rectangles. Now, whatever skin color you desire, you are going to color it, like you're going to color it in. I'm just going to be using a color pencil. And the color is going to be light brown, and I'm just going to color in all of them. And also, if I get bored while I'm making these squishy babies, this one is my first one. I kind of watched like a YouTube video. Now you're just going to tape it all. Now time to cut it. Now once you have cut it all, now you're just going to want to tape all of those together, like all of them together. Now you're just going to, if you have any other like end sides, then like flip it. Okay, let me show you guys. Then you're going to put 1 square right there and 1 square right there. And then tape it. Now you're just going to fold all of them, like that. It should look like this now. Now unfold it. Now it should look like this. Now you're just going to tape this. Once you're done taping it, you're going to like fold it like that. Now it should look like this. Now you're going to tape one side and then fold it. Now stuff it. I actually made a little hole, so I'm going to fix it with some more tape. Now you're going to close the only side. It should look like this. Now you're going to close the only side and tape it. By the way, you're going to make 2 of these because these are going to be the arms. So in total, you should have 4 because 2 arms and 2 legs. There, you made your 3D arm. Now I'm going to tell you guys how to put it on the cute little baby. So, whatever side you want, I'm going to put it like here. You're going to want to put it kind like that. Yeah, like that. Sorry guys, I have to stand up for this one. So we have a little baby, right? You are, there's hairs in my tape. So you're going to get some tape. And then, wherever you're going to want to put it, and then like that. So basically, going to want to see where you want to put it. You're going to put it like that. And then, no. Sorry, not like that. Sorry guys, I folded my tape. We're going to put it right there. And then we're going to take our sleeves, and then there, you have your little arm. And then if you want, you can actually put it closer, like that. And then you have to do all of the steps that I showed you again for the other arm. And then there, that is how you make... Sorry about that, my mom just needed her phone. The house phone. But yeah, that is how you make a baby 3D squishy. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and bye